All right, wood floors, super fun. Okay, so this is our stack of wood. We deliver the wood so that it can acclimate to the home. So we have a big old stack here, and what we're doing is we have 7-inch planks, white oak engineered wood flooring for the first floor, and we have 5-inch planks for the second floor. So again, this is engineered white oak wood. So here's our stack, and these are the screeds. These are screeds or sleepers. I guess you can call them whatever you want, but they basically are used as nailers for the wood floor, and I'll show you what that looks like. So these are our screeds. And you can see here, this is a room that we just finished. So we poured the tar. These are the screeds. And then when the wood is installed, we nail into these screeds, and that's what holds this wood down. And then we immediately cover the floor. So I pulled this sheet back, but as soon as we're done, we go ahead and cover the floor.